Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Polaroid 600 land camera. The film acts as a battery for the camera, and of course you can't take a photo with an instant film camera without film. There's no other way that the photo is getting stored when you take it. This is where you see how many photos you have left. This camera restarts at 10 photos, but the packs of film made now only have 8 photos in it, so if it says you have 2 photos left, you actually have 0. This is where you're going to put the film in. So there is an arrow pointing forward, and you can just push it forward and the whole thing pops open. Grab onto the tab and pull it out, throw this away, or find some creative way to reuse it. So this is the film you're gonna need to use this camera. It's the 600 film. They have black and white, they have color, some with like different color borders and everything, so there are different options. I'm just gonna be using the regular color film with the white border. Very classic Polaroid look. So this is just the black screen so that the Polaroid doesn't get exposed to the light as you're putting it into the camera. So you do not want to remove this, because once it gets exposed to the light, the film starts to develop, and it would just develop into a white square. So you wouldn't want to waste a piece of film like that, because these are not that cheap. Put the rainbow tab side on the outside. This will be facing up. Then you slide it back into place and just gently press it until it kind of clicks into place. Take this piece and snap it into place. And there's our message. There's our little card. Love me tender. You can hang these up, you can keep them in a little journal, or whatever you want to do with these. They're just fun. So now my camera's loaded, 10 photos, as you can see. Really, I have 8. So now to actually use this as a camera, you have to flip this top part up, so it actually looks like a camera now. So cute. Now I want to take a picture of my cat Cleo. So you need to look through the viewfinder. So now you can see what I will be shooting. But in order to charge the flash, I'm going to use this red button on the front of the camera. And then you push it in halfway. And as I press that red button, a light turns on the camera. This is the flash charging. Once that light stops, that means the flash is charged. Do not remove your finger. Just press that same button all the way in. And there you have it. So as the photo gets dispensed out of the camera, it has this roller that pushes against the bottom of the film, which then releases the chemicals that are used to develop film photos. I know that people always think they want to shake these Polaroids. You don't want to touch them, you just want to let them develop on their own. It takes like 15 to 20 minutes. It does take a while longer than like an Instax photo film. And there's one more feature I need to talk about with this camera, and it is this light slider. So you can slide this from side to side or keep it in the middle. If you slide it all the way to the white side, that is to lighten your photo. And if you slide it to the dark side, that is to darken your photo. But overall, once you get those basic steps down, this camera is really simple to use. Let me know if you have any questions about using this camera. And if you like thrifting content, home decor, room makeovers, and smaller home projects, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.